welcome back to my next video. So today I'm going to be going into BJ's wholesale club and actually showing you guys what's vegan in there. So if you don't know what BJ's is, it's kind of like a Costco or Sam's Club. So it's pretty good store in there. I just renewed my membership a couple days ago. So I'll be heading in there and then show you guys what's vegan in there. There's quite a bit of vegan stuff in there, which is good. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let's get into BJ's. Okay, so just walking through the front of the store, they have a whole bunch of electronics and stuff. So first off, we got some bark thins, some nuts, like mixed nuts, peanuts, some pistachios, and stuff like that, if you do like to eat some nuts. Then we have some dried fruit here, really good selection. Some animal crackers. We have some Oreo cookies that are actually vegan too, which is really good. So you have some like salsas for chips and stuff. Some Ritz crackers. Some Smarties. Some Cheerios. We got some Chex. Different selection of Chex there. Some Cheerios. Multigrain Cheerios. Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Unicorn cereal. I wasn't sure what the heck that was. The Fruit Loops, but the unicorn cereal is vegan though too. You got some Frosted Flakes, some Cocoa Puffs, some Rice Krispie Puffs, and some Corn Flakes. You got some Raisin Bran Crunch, and some Raisin Bran. And you got some Fruity Pebbles and some Life cereal. Probably not the healthiest option for some of these cereals, but it happens, you know. Some Oat Crunch. And then here we have a whole bunch of different coffees. Some instant coffee, you have some tea, and some sugar, some like powdered tea mix. You want to make sure that doesn't have aspartame in it, and a whole bunch of coffee. So you got some fruit here. You can actually buy mangoes by the case. We have some watermelon here that is not in season. A whole bunch of like cranberries. Some Harvest Snap peas. And some potatoes. I love my potatoes. Whole big selection, different varieties of potatoes. We got some Silk Creamer and some vegan. Yeah, I can't think of it. And here we have some different types of different nut milks and soy milks. A really good selection. There's some chocolate down there too. Some more Silk almond milk. Some vegan butter. This is really good for a brand of bread. Some Uncrustables. Some vegan spring rolls. Got a whole bunch of Gardein veggie meats. All of Gardein's is vegan. You got some frozen fruit, strawberries, mangoes. Got some avocado. I was really surprised about these. The chocolate. But also got a whole bunch of different fruit pops. The chocolate ones are vegan too, which is really cool. And here we have some like condiments and stuff. Some canned olives and mustard and ketchup and barbecue sauce, all the good stuff. And here we have some spices, whole big selection of different spices. You just have to check what you have. Some pasta, good selection of pasta here. And we have some Bisquick, some quinoa meal cups, and quite a bit of rice. Some more rice. And you can have some beans with your rice too. They didn't have any dried beans, but they had canned beans. They have some canned fruit here. A whole bunch of different varieties like applesauce. I actually picked up these crackers here. They're vegan, of course. Really good, like cheddar chips. Cliff bars. You got some vegan protein powder if you're into that type of thing. And then down here you got some vegan bars. I've actually been using this type of shampoo. In this too, and some body wash. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe and everything. And I will see you guys from the next video. Bye.